What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on ZBCN. So if you are interested what I am currently thinking about this coin and what are the exact setups that I am planning to trade here, then definitely watch this video till the end, because right now we just had here a perfect liquidity grab under this previous important lows and we are testing this bearish order block. So for me right now we can have here pretty great setups. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. As I said in the beginning, we just took liquidity under all these previous important lows and this previous important high. So for me right now there is increased probability that we are gonna break this bearish order block and there will be a support confirmation. The thing that you don't want to see here is the breakdown of this current low, so of the level 0.04474 approximately, because if we are gonna do this, there is in my opinion pretty high probability that we are gonna test this bullish order block on a daily time frame, which is starting on 0.04217. So if we are gonna stay above this low, it's still in the, let's say, midterm kinda bullish. On the other hand, if right now there will be a breakout and then support confirmation of this area, you can place entry above this bearish order block. Stop loss you can place just under, because if there will be after a support confirmation breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then again price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And last take profit target, in this case you can place under this previous important low. So this trade will give you potential profit up to 33.3% of a net market. Potential stop loss around 4.73. We will have undervalued RSI indicator, so the probability that the price will go up is actually pretty high, because we will be above this current resistance, this previous important support. Here it was resistance and here support as well. So this is like the main area that you want to confirm as a support, and this will give you risk reward ratio up to 7.04. In this case you probably don't want to take just one take profit target, so some of the profits you want to take somewhere in this bearish order block, then under this current high, and then for example around this previous levels, and then you can place some best back to the last day profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio from 7, it will be like 4, something like that, which is in my opinion still pretty good setup. Let's now take a look on the 1-hour chart, where also we can trade pretty great setup. You can see we are about to hit this bullish order block, which is between level 0.004782 and 0.004573, and here you can speculate either just for a support confirmation of this area, which means that stop loss you will place under this current low, because as I said previously, if we are gonna break under, there is pretty high probability that we will continue with this dump, so there is no point of holding this losing position longer than is necessary. Last take profit target you can place under this previous high. This can give you potential trade up to 4 risk reward. Other way how to trade it is to wait actually also for a liquidity grab under this bullish order block, but again we can't break this previous low. So in that case stop loss again you will place under this previous low, entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block after support confirmation, and this trade can give you risk reward ratio, let's say approximately up to 7, something like that. These risk reward ratios are also gonna be lower because you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take under this first bearish order block, then something in this area, then for example after we will take liquidity above this last bearish order block, which is level 0.005544, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end from the risk reward ratio like 7.2, your risk reward ratio is going to be around like 5, something like that, which is another really great setup. If we are gonna switch on a daily time frame, I think that in the long run this is looking bullish. We just took liquidity under these two previous important lows, we perfectly retested this and this previous high. So from a technical analysis, you can, for example, like open a long position right now on a daily time frame if this candle will close above this previous important lows, which most likely will. If it closes, for example, on the current price, you can again place the stop loss under the low that we created during that fakeout. Last take profit target on a daily time frame can be something like $0.01 mark, something like that, which can give you a trade with potential profit around like 100% of a net market, potential stop loss around 8.3%, risk reward ratio up to 12.3. This is, in my opinion, really great setup that you can take. Again, you want to take your multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take under this previous important highs, then something under this previous highs, for example under 0.085, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. From the risk reward ratio 12.3, your risk reward ratio is gonna be like 9, which is again absolutely perfect setup. But keep in mind that the current candle needs to close above this previous important lows, so we can count this as a liquidity grab. And the last chart that I want to show you in today's video is total 2 chart, so the altcoin market cap. Here you can see we perfectly retested this previous bearish order block area, and again, if the current candle will close above level 1.59, this is, in my opinion, heavy bullish signal. So I'm expecting in the upcoming days that the market is gonna go up, of course, in case of that support confirmation. So definitely I will be looking for new positions that I can take. In my opinion, as I said, this can be really great opportunity. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you want to simply follow all of my analysis and all of the coins that I am, let's say, planning to buy, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So I guess this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.